This is the shower valve on the NCL Bliss. The flow control is on the left and temperature control on the right. To turn on the shower, twist the flow control handle backwards. For more flow, press the button and continue twisting backwards. The valve is preset for a lukewarm temperature. For a colder temperature, simply twist the temp valve backwards. For a hotter temperature, heed the warning sign to prevent scalding, and first tilt and point the shower head straight down, so that the water will spray straight down and not on you. Then carefully depress the button and slowly twist the temp control valve forward. Adjust accordingly. Remember to reset the temp valve for the next person. And finally, do not touch or grab the valve body. The surface will get very hot. Enjoy your Bliss showers.